Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use the basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to delete your Bumble account. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open Bumble application on your device. Here, make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, go to the profile icon which is at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now, click on the gear icon which is at the upper right corner of the screen. After that, you will find the settings here. Scroll down to the bottom of this page and you can see delete account option. Click on it and select a reason for deleting your account. After selecting the reason, you will see a prompt there saying delete account. Click on it and your account will be deleted. So that is how you can delete your Bumble account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.